Okay. Uh, Now we are running with maths, I guess, actually. Very less students today. This we done yesterday. Yesterday we have done regression and R squared actually. Today we are going to close the maths. '75 and what number 6, 26. Eighth one is running. Okay. Sir, residual means very easy. But to understand this topic, I will tell you the prerequisite. Get ready to understand. Good, get ready. To understand this topic, there is a prerequisite. The prerequisite is the first 2 points you need to understand about kind of some relationship actually. Relationship between two variables. Between what exactly? Variables. That is okay. The next one. Then we can find out by using correlation. Am I right? And so the third one, you can just try to apply regression. You can just try to apply. The next one, R squared also you need to identify. These are all topics actually. Or what exactly is a squared actual? Squared value. Now get ready. If you understand these are all, you will understand residual. What is the meaning of residual, you know? So residual is a kind of some finding the error value. Finding what exactly? Error. In prediction. Error in what exactly? Let me tell you what do you mean by that. Imagine yesterday I have given an example. So think like cricket match actually, 50 overs. 50 overs. There is a first match actually. And I can say this one is prediction score and this one will be actual score. Now finally you will get error. This error also having another name that is called as a residual. What is that, sir? Residual actual. Okay. Now in a first match actual. First match. Sir, I done prediction on average 300. But what happened, you know, so our guys, they're able to hit 350 actually. What is error value? 50. That 50 is nothing but a residual. Make a note on this one. What do you mean by 50? You know, actual value minus what exactly? Prediction value. That is called as a residual. What is that, sir? A residual. Let's open the material. You can start the discussion. By looking at the error, you can easy to understand either prediction is good or not actually. Okay. Click on this residual. So in this chapter we'll discuss about the residual. It explains about the how far the distance between prediction value and what exactly actual value. Basically it tells about the error prediction. It tells about error in prediction. It will talk about what exactly error. Sir, you done prediction, but maybe the prediction may contain error. How much error that is, it will talk actual. How much error. All right. This is the formula. So the formula is like, actual value minus what exactly predicted value. By this time you should know what is the actual value. The next one will be predicted value. Get ready, you will understand. So practical example you are going to do. What is the formula? Residual equals to actual value minus predicted value. Hold on. Hold on. It can be either plus or minus. It can be either plus or minus. If you want, let me give a small example. Yesterday I went to fruits market. Yesterday I went to fruits market actually. Both are not same, sir. So this one is actual value. This one is prediction value. That's what I'm telling. One example, you will get an idea. What do you mean by actual value and what do you mean by prediction value? I will tell you actually. Yesterday, so I went to fruits market and I'm planning to buy apples actually. My wife told, kindly please bring fruits. That's over actually. I went to market and I'm planning to buy apples. So first one, apples, oranges, bananas, these are all. I started, cinema from apple actually. By looking at that apple, I have my prediction value. That owner, he can tell this much value. My prediction value will be, so he may tell each apple cost will be 50 rupees. Each apple cost value will be, that is my prediction. What is my prediction value? Chapan sir, 50. Then I asked, Anna, tell me how much each apple. Talk with me, each one how much actual. He told directly each one 75 rupees. Each one? Yeah, good. What is my original? What is my prediction value? 50. What is the original value? What is the error value? That is called as a residual actual. Everyone having their own prediction. Then I started bargaining. I like bargaining actual. I started. Anna, please, can you please reduce? He told it's okay. Let us fix for 65. Let us fix for 65. Now what is actual error actually? 15. Now my prediction will be somewhat near. My prediction will be somewhat what exactly? Near. Scenario number 1. Scenario number 2. Think like my prediction value is the 50 and apple is 150. Apple is what exactly? 150. What is error value? Very big error. Then my prediction will be worst prediction actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? సో సేమ్ థింగ్ లైక్ దట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ప్రిడిక్షన్, that prediction having some error. If it is a small error, the prediction is the good. If it is the big error, you done wrong prediction. You done what exactly? Wrong prediction. Make a note on this one. Okay. So we'll get an idea. Did you understand, sir? This one is actual value. Fruits market person, he is telling 75, but my prediction will be 50 rupees. 75 minus 50 rupees, 25 rupees is the error actual. Okay. Make a note on this one. So from the previous example, till yesterday what we done actually, we know how to plot the data. We know well how to draw the line actually. How to plot the data. The next one is what exactly how to draw the line actually. We done. These are all examples yesterday. Now let me tell you, very, very important. Please be focused actually. Good. Sir, I can say that line is the prediction line. That line is what line? A line మనం ఏమంటాం? Prediction line. Now, I would like to say this one is the actual value. The blue dot what indicates to here? It is the actual value. The yellow data point, it is indicates to prediction value. Are you with me? I can say somewhat near. What is the distance, sir? Somewhat near. But still I wanted to know how much distance. I wanted to know how much error. Sir, can I say this data point also having XY? This data point also having XY. I need error value. What I need to do? Actual value minus, that's what you need to do. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Okay? Yeah, good. Now, yeah, residual equals to Daniel, actual value minus y cap. Okay, cool. For this data point, what is the x comma y? We'll see. X comma y. Here also x comma y. Nice. Then x comma y, actual value, x comma y, prediction value. What is x value, sir? 5. If you take this one from here, 5. Okay. X value is the 5. What is the y value? So 3.5, something like that. 3.5. Cool. Actual level, actual values we know. Now the prediction value. What is the x value actually? 5 only. Okay. Move to the next one. Yeah, Daniel. Make a note actually. This one is a 5. What is the prediction value? Prediction value answer 3 actually. Cool. Conclusion of the story. Now get ready, I need result actually. What is the residual, sir? Error ento cheppandi. Actual value 3.5. Okay. Minus y cap. Y cap means prediction value 3. What is error value? 0.1. One small point actually. Error is positive or negative? Positive. Make a note. If actual data point is above the prediction line, let me tell you, if actual data point above the prediction line, then you will get always positive error. You will get, imagine you get a positive error in the sense, actual value is here, prediction value is here actually. Actual value is always top, so prediction value is always at bottom actually. That's a symbolic you need to understand. Can I get a response from you? Here you will get a positive. And here also you will get a positive. But let me show you. Here you will get a negative actually. Here you will get what exactly? If actual value falls below the prediction line, then the error value is the negative. Imagine you calculated error value. If error value is the positive, okay, actual data point is top and the prediction data point is what exactly? Below, bottom. That's what you need to be understand. One small point we have to make a note actually. Can I drink water? When my voice will set right, sir? I may not take continuous rest actually. Okay. Cool. So 3.5 minus 3, we are good to go. We are getting the result as a 0.5. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Move to the next step. Sir, exactly the error is the 0.5. Small error only. Then talk with me. You can talk about the prediction. Good prediction. Small error only. You can talk about good prediction. Can I switch on that? Okay. Let me know, please. Let me know. Madam, you? Okay, fine. Good. Now let me tell you. Next one. Boss, this one is actual data point. This one is what exactly prediction data point. For this actual data point, x comma y, 2 comma 1.5. Cheppandi 2 comma. Now here is the story. For this prediction data point, 2 value, that is okay. I mean 2 is the x is the 2 actually. Why, here a little confusion. Either 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. I have one small question based on from my extra explanation. I wanted to find out why. How to find out actually? Ela find out chestam. Take some time. Very good, sir. Exactly. If you really followed my yesterday session, if you wanted to do the prediction, you need to apply a formula. Formula will be y equals to mx plus c. Kind of some b0 plus b1 into x we done actually. Let us bring that formula. Then we will get that y value. Okay. Yeah, y cap equals to 1.45 plus 0.311 into x. Quickly you can apply. Now what is x value here? X value anta cheppandi? 2. Perfect. You can substitute actually. Then you will get a y cap value. Come on, let us apply. Yeah, Daniel, we are substituting, x value here. We are imputing x value here actually. Then we are getting y cap equals to 2.072. Great. We got it actually. So see, we thought like 0.1, but this is, I'm sorry, 2.1, but that is not 2.1. Accurate value we got it. What is the value? 2.072. Yeah. Now what is the next step actually? Finding residual value. Finding? Yeah. What is the residual, sir? Y minus y cap. What is the y value? 1.5. What is the y cap value? Now you talk with me. Positive or negative? Negative. Minus. One small fundamental I'm telling. If residual is the positive, actual value is always at top for the prediction line. If residual value is the negative, Actual value always, talk with me, below for the prediction line. For what exactly? Can I get a response from you? That's during interview they will ask actual. Imagine residual is the positive. Talk with me what happened. You just need to tell, oh, residual is the positive. Sir, we done prediction. So actual value is the above and the prediction value is the below. That's why the residual is the positive value actual. If you are able to answer that one, that guy will understand you know the topic actual. If residual is positive, explain means positive. You should not talk like that actually. You should know the reason. Meeku reason telavali. Did you understand? This topic who are all done yesterday practice, those guys can understand this topic. Otherwise, I'm sorry. You cannot understand what is going on. Then నేను చెప్పిన టాపిక్స్ మీరు ఒకసారి రివిజన్ చేసుకుంటే కనుక quickly you can understand. Do little revision. It will be helpful for you. Can I get a response? Yeah. Very good. This one is a negative. This one is a positive. Rishi sir, that's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling, sir. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. The next one. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. If you're writing down the notes, that is fine. Then make a note. This one is a negative residual. This one is a positive residual. A negative residual value means it falls below the regression line. A positive residual value means actual value located into above the regression line. So here I have specified those 2 points actually. That's what you need to be understand from this topic. And this is very, very important. In maths, it is called as a residual, but in machine learning, it is called as a cost function. What function? Cost function. A little terminals you should be aware. In math, it is called as a residual. Okay, residual. But in machine learning, we will talk like, cost. You can also call as a loss. You can also call as error. Ivanni different names ఉంటాయి. Cost అనొచ్చు, loss అనొచ్చు, error అనొచ్చు. These are all similar terms. Fine then. So let me ask you one question. Did I share this one with you? Did I share assignment actually? నేను మీకు assignment share చేశానా? Let me share. Sorry. There are 2 assignments I'm planning to share. Please, a little patience. Good. It's like again our template only, but here I applied little small, so hyperlink I applied actually. So click on this loading the data set. Yeah, it is directly moving on to this line. Do you wanted to go back to the index actually? Click on this one. It will bring to the index actually. Number of rows and columns. Click on this one. It will directly bring into here actually. What attribute we need to call? Yeah, good. Now let me tell you. Sir, same data set I have taken. Same data set I have taken. What data set actually? Data. We already know this. Good. Then I'm sure you already know these are all things. Number of rows and columns. What is attribute name? Shape attribute. We already know this. Quite interesting. You can get an output actually. df.dtypes. df.dtypes gives the result as a series. With that series, I'm trying to creating a single column data frame. I'm trying to creating. You can do that. We are taking output and we are formatting output actually. Chudani. We are creating a single column data frame. Though by default data frame having no column names, by default it starts from 0, cool. Invoice number object, stock code object, description object. Let's apply. I know this one is a data frame, single column data frame. Any idea what is this? Yeah, good. So what do you mean by transpose? Rows will come like a columns and columns will come like a exactly. Exactly, man. చూడండి 0. Again, the row displays like a 0. Invoice number, stock code, description, blah blah. These are all. Now, any idea what exactly I'm doing? I'm calling rename method over this data frame only. What I'm renaming? Can somebody talk with me? నేను ఏమి rename చేస్తున్నాను? Exactly. What I'm renaming? I don't want to display this one is a 0, sir. I wanted to display something like a column type actually. Such a great output, sir. If you display output like this actually, it is easy to read. Hey, invoice number, column type object, stock code, column type object, description, column type object actual. Looks pretty good. Now here column type. The next one is what exactly no? Checking the missing value. Checking what exactly? Same story. df.isNA.sum method. I'm creating a single column data frame. Guess the next step. Apply transpose, very good. Guess the next step. I don't want to here is the 0. I wanted to specify here is missing value. Such a great man. Oh, invoice number, missing value is 0. Stock code, missing values is 0. Description, missing values will be quite interesting actually. Then, any idea? Did you remember in 1947 I covered a topic name is a concat. What is the topic? So two data frames I am taking, df1 and df2. Such a nice result, sir. Nice results actually. So here in this assignment, we are mainly focusing on how to align the output actually. How to align the output, format the output. Such a great assignment. You will understand a lot actually. Can I share this one today? Is it okay? So do you think I need to share the data set actually? Data set share cheyalani meer anukuntunnara? If anyone is asking, share the data set also. What you done till now actually? Did you understand, sir? This is the EDA project. What project? Yeah, this one is the second version. First version we already done. Again, why I'm taking the well-known data set? You can feel more comfortable. You know the column names. You know how we played actually. Such a great, you can walk through. మీరు చూడండి. Such a quite interesting actually. Total products, these are all. Value count. Transactions, go back. Customers, total customers are how many? These many. Wow. Products, such a nice report, sir. Such a nice report actually. Hey, I just wanted to know total how many products, total how many transactions, total how many customers actually. In one shot, we need to display like this actually. Generally, we know individually we need to do total how many products, separate answer. Total how many products, separate answer. Total how many products, separate answer. But instead of this one, we are displaying in one small record actually. That's seriously very good record. Did you understand or not? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, you can just try to, I will upload now itself. మీరు దీని మీద వర్క్ చేయండి, you gain lot of knowledge. Then I do have another assignment also. Then in running notes also it is displaying like, I have to share. Session is not at over. Though uploading the running notes, you thought like session over actual. I need some comments how it is so that I can share others also. Assignment 1. HTML template actual. Why less students today? Siddiq sir, sir, how you have created the name? Sir, secret, sir. Just sorry, I will tell you. It's a very simple. Siddiq sir, I will tell you. It's a very simple. Sorry for kidding. Please, go back. Ooh. Okay, so I need to upload, right? Other projects too. Then you'll enter into projects folder. Other project. This one I need to upload. Yeah. Workout actually. Today you can feel really amazing. Workout, you will get an idea. Okay, good, good. Let's move on, please. We done this. Ninth topic. Let me hold actually. This is after machine learning only you will understand. The normal distribution. Matrix. I will continue now. Very simple. The matrix will be closed within few minutes. Yeah, good. So make a note on this one. Matrix. A matrix is an array of numbers. Matrix is what exactly? We already know this one actually. There is a one good website. Website name is a mathisfun.com. From that website I have taken this content actually. This is a really good website. I will tell you if you want, there are some good links actually, you will get an idea. mathisfun.com website name. All right. Rows and columns. Very ideal. Rows and columns we already know. This one is row number 1, row number 2, and this one is column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. So if anyone is asking, can you please let me know the size of the matrix? First, we have to always tell rows, but not columns, but not columns. Make a note. But when you're talking about the data frame, whenever you are counting the number of rows, actually, header is not countable. Whenever you are counting the columns, what is not countable? Index is not countable. Practically, I have shown. Am I right? Yeah. When I have shown practically explain chesanu. When you are counting the, so column names, index is not countable when I explained actual. Yeah, in pandas, great answer actually. But in pandas, especially LOC, ILOC, did you remember? There is a one method name is a set_index. There I explained actually exactly. We are taking product column name and we are setting as index. This index we should not count actually. I covered. Come on. So do little practice. One small suggestion. Don't target the practice count actually. Then what do you mean by that? Imagine if I am asking how many times you will do practice. You will practice. If you are keeping like, my target will be, my target will be kind of some I'm planning for 3 times. I'm sorry. If you're planning for 3 times, after 1 or 2 days, you may lose actually. Sir, keep on, you have to do practice. Keep on, you have to continue. So don't keep the target. Let me tell you Python. So imagine if you done 1 time practice, 2nd time practice, 3rd time practice, 4th time practice. Keep on, you have to do. Then you can memorize the subject. That is a, secret actually. Can I get a response from you? If you just keep the target like 2 times over, you may miss out actually. No, so keep on do the practice, that it will be helpful for you. Rows and columns, very, very important. Look at my screen. A scalar, vector and a matrix. What do you mean by scalar? A single value representation. What representation? A single value is called, in math it is called as a scalar value. And this is, a single row or single column we used to represent with a vector notation. What notation? These are all math terminology. If anyone is asking what do you mean by vector, simple, either it can be single row or single column actually. That is called as a vector. A group of rows and columns, it is called as a matrix. It is called as a, but in pandas it is called as a array, you can say. The next one will be, yeah, exactly. The next one will be data frame also. Next one is data frame also. Okay, good. You need to walk through this theory. Adding matrix. How simple it is, sir. Skip the theory. Look at the code actually. Look at the example. Matrix number 1, matrix number 2. Important 2 marks question in 10th class actually. So one matrix we can add. But there is one small condition. Condition should be, size should be matched. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. 3 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Like that actually. If size mismatch, you will get an error. We can add 2 matrices. Did you cover NumPy? Did you cover NumPy? Right. The two matrices must be the same size. The row must match in the size and the column must be match in the size actually. So if it is a 3 by 5, then definitely other end side also 3 by 5 is required. But it could not be added into the, if it is a different size actually, sorry, it won't work at all. Okay, cool. Negative matrix, sorry. 3 plus 4, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. Respectively, 6 plus minus 9. Result is the minus 3. Good. Negative matrix. Very simple, man. Would you have a one matrix? I'm looking for negative matrix. Simple. Just we need to apply minus of actually. Minus of 2, minus of 7. Just the sign change. That's it actually. Sign change. Sign change. Okay. One interview question from this material. One interview question you will get actually. I will tell you what is that. Subtracting. Like addition, how you have done. You can do subtraction also. You can do what exactly? Subtraction also. Multiply by a constant value. Multiply by constant value. Good. Make a note on this one. If it is a matrix, it hey Daniel, can I take a single value? With that single value, I would like to multiply with the constant, all values actually. You can do that. 2 into 4 is the 8 and 2 into 0 is the 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into minus 9, minus 18 actually, respectively like this. This is possible, man. We can multiply the matrix by the constant actually. Okay. Very, very important, sir. Very, very important. What is the topic? Multiply two matrices. Let us spend here more time actually. Your understanding is really matter. Many of the students will get confused here. No need to confuse. It is very simple. I will explain. Listen careful. First, skip this example. I will show you one example. Hold on. Okay. Let me take one real-time example. That real-time example will be. So think like there is a local shop. He sells 3 types of fruits actually. Now make a note on this one. Exactly like a data frame. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are all different types of fruits. Apple, almost Monday 13. And Tuesday 9. Report actually. Wednesday 7 respectively. Cherry 8, 7, 4. Blueberry 6 actually. I have a small question for you. What is the apple cost? $3. Cool. What is the cherry cost? $4. Very nice. The next one will be, look at my screen. Now think about this, the value of sales for Monday. Now I just wanted to know total Monday how much business actually. Total Monday. If you wanted to know total Monday how much business, what we need to apply, you know, sir? Manu ela apply cheyalo telusa? Talk with me. 3 into 13 plus next one. Very good. 4 into 8 plus the next one 2 into exactly. Then if you want it, if you want for Tuesday, say Tuesday total how much amount actually, can you help me? 3 into 9, 4 into 7 plus 2 into 4, 4 actually. Can I get a response from you? That's what you need to be understand, right? Now Apple value, you know, Apple value, 3 into 13 plus 4 into 8 plus 2 into 6 equals to 83 is the value. Great. Now let me show you actual calculation actually. Wow, get ready to understand. So imagine like this we need to take. So what we need to take actually, like a single row. Imagine here is a single row. And here we do have what exactly, you know. So these are all Monday sales, Tuesday sales, Wednesday, Thursday actually. Now here is the beauty. 3 into 13 plus, very good. 4 into 8 plus, very good. 2 into 6, exactly like this actually. Then once you calculated these are all value, you will get the result as a, can you tell me $83? What is that? Monday business, total Monday business actually. Meeku ardhamainda leda sir, right? Now I wanted to tell you one thing. Always we have to take the row left hand side. Always we have to take row left hand side. Right side matrix we have to take column actually. We have to take what exactly? Now you talk with me. 63 how you got it actually? Chappan sir, madam. 3 into 9 plus 4 into 7 plus 2 into exactly. You understand? You understand, right? Go back. Now let me explain the theory. Here is the story. If you wanted to apply multiply from the first matrix, you have to take always first row. From the second matrix, you have to take always what exactly? Yeah, first column actually. Make a note on this one. Right, good. Now please make a note. And one more point. Whenever you are applying multiplying actually, applying multiplication of multiplication of matrix actually. First do one thing. Get the size of matrix actually. What is the size of this matrix? Cheptara? Rows into columns. How many rows, sir? Chappan? 2 by, oh sorry, it's a 2 by 3. The next one will be 3 by rows, 3, 2 columns actually. Then final result, how much you will get, you know? Let me tell you, listen carefully. This point is important. 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Sir, this one and this one, it will be cancelled. Then finally 2 by 2 result you will get actually. 2 by 2. That's what you need to be understand. That is a matrix calculation. Then how it came. 10th class standard actual. You have to refer one small 10th class math notes actual. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Now I have a question for you. Exactly we are doing here. Daniel, 1 into 7. Yeah, good. 1 into 7 plus and 2 into 9 plus and 3 into 11 plus. Then finally you got a 58. Very good. The next value will be. What is the next value, sir? Any idea? The same row you need to take. The same row. You have to take the next column actually. Monday sales over, right? Let us finish Tuesday also. 1 into 8, 1 into 8 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 12. Then finally you will get, here is the result as a 64. Conclusion of the story, here you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. What matrix? You need to do little paperwork. Then only you will understand. You need to do little paperwork actually. Okay? Let's move on. So finally 2 by 2 matrix actually. This is just now I have covered. You can move on. In general, even just now I have told m by n, and n by p. Then this n and this n, it will be cancelled, and finally you will get a m by p matrix. What matrix? M by p matrix. You will get actually. Chudani. What is this one? This one I would like to say 1 by 3 and 3 by 1. Yeah, one row and 3 columns actually. And here it is what exactly, sir? 3 rows, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. This is something like a single column actually. Now what exactly happen, you will get a 3 and 3, it will be cancelled, and one value you will get actual single value like that. You need to do little practice, you will get an idea. Here 1 and 1 it will be cancelled, and what is the left hand side? 3. Right hand side 3. 3 by 3 matrix actual. Did you understand or not, sir? In NumPy total this kind of operations are happening. In NumPy, in array, total this kind of operations are happening actually. Come on, types of matrix. I hope you already know. Array what do you mean by matrix? Array of numbers, group of numbers. So this is called as a 2 rows and what exactly? 3 columns. The next one, diagonal. What is that? Did you remember? So in NumPy, so we can get the diagonal. You can get a diagonal. There is a method, I guess, actually. There is a method we need to call. So diagonal, you will get, so the next one, transpose. Very good. So in NumPy, we can apply dot T. Yeah, dot capital T. In data frame also, at the same time, array also. So to transpose a matrix, I mean to say swapping rows and columns as a rows, and you need to call T after bit actually. Then you will get an idea. Next one will be the square matrix. 2 by 2. Next one, 3 by 3. These are all called as a square matrix. A square matrix you can also call as an equal matrix. Sir, simple. I know I'm scrolling quickly. Why? Because these are all just very simple. You don't need to put more efforts actually. While sleeping, you can listen actually. Okay? Yeah. Identity matrix. What do you mean by that? Come again? Yeah, good. So an identity matrix has ones in diagonal and zeros are everywhere. This is called as identity matrix. This content I'm repeating again, I have taken from Math is Fun website. What is the website name? Math is Fun. You can walk through. Such a good website actually. More than enough. Math is Fun. You can see here. So those guys explain good data they have given actually. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Identity matrix. Little theory you need to walk through. Diagonal. I hope you already know. A diagonal matrix is, it has a 0 in everywhere, not in main diagonal actually. Diagonal, not only diagonal matrix also. I mean, all other values are 0 and the diagonal is not a 0. The last one, scalar matrix. In diagonal, the same values. All values are same in diagonal actually. Zero matrix. All are zeros. That's it. Very easy. This matrix topic is very easy. There is one topic in math I can cover later actually. Machine learning is required to understand that. We done? Very good. Sir, you guys are almost near to machine learning. You guys are almost very near to machine learning. After math, feature engineering, just 2 sessions actually. After this feature engineering, we are entering into the machine learning. We are entering into machine learning. Are you ready? Come on. Minimum 3 interview questions from this 3 to 4. I can say 3 to 4. Coming Saturday, we have an exam. Maybe I can announce tomorrow is the timings actually. I can announce tomorrow is the timings. I'm planning to merge 2 batches and I'm planning to put an exam. And tomorrow I will announce the timings. Coming Saturday. Talk with me. What is the syllabus? Total Python. Total what exactly? Please be serious actually. Please be serious. You can really feel within 2 to 3 days you can do Python revision. Then the next week I will plan for pandas, total pandas, so that you can feel more comfortable actually. Is it okay for you? Yeah, do that. It will be helpful. First of all, you will come right for exam. Everyone should attempt the total chapters. Otherwise, maybe on Saturday I will take attendance actually. At end of the course you will get a certificate. Then definitely there is a score levels actually. So definitely admin will reach who attended the exam. It will be impact actually. Make a note on this one. Don't bring into that level. It's good for you only at keeping exam. Is it helping actually exam? Okay. Find the topic name is a feature engineering. What is the topic name? Quite interesting, sir. Let me stand. Then the actual flow will come. Yeah. Make a note on this one. Same story. You will understand. Let's keep heading. Sir, I will share. I will take 1 KT actually. I mean, maybe that is not important as of now. I will definitely help you. Even I done by using ChatGPT. So in Jupyter, how to add a hyperlink. Just try to use ChatGPT. You will get an idea. But still I will help you. Still I will help you. Not only hyperlink, you can add images. You can add, so kind of some JF as actually animated icons. These are all things we can add. Back to the session. Talk with me. What is the topic name? Feature engineering. Here onwards, please focus on the terminology. Please focus on what exactly? Please focus on terminology. That is very, very important rather than other discussion actually. Let me take a data. Let me take what exactly? Data. The data will be the well-known data set I can take. The first one will be area. We already know. The next one will be rice packs. I'm sure we already played with this one actually. 1, 10, 2, 20. You can recall very quickly. 3, 30, 4, 40. Very good. Now 40 Daniel. So if you are a pandas developer, you can read the content like this actually. If you are a pandas developer, first one will be column number 1. Next one will be column number 2. Okay. A pandas developer, he have vision like that actually. But let me tell you, hey Daniel, in terms of ML version, in terms of what exactly? ML version, the way of reading supposed to be changed actually. What is the way of reading, Being a ML engineer, this one we can talk like, still input actually. This one we can talk like, very, very important. Very, very important. Next one, ML engineer also can tell, this one is feature number 1. This one is feature number 2. Okay, here is the story. I have given the data. Somebody is telling like, Anna, first column having this data. I can tell, my inner feeling will be, he knows pandas. He is talking about the pandas. I have given the data to my junior. My junior is talking, Anna, first feature. What exactly? Then I can tell he is a very good in machine learning. He is very good. What exactly? Based on terminology, what terminology you are using, other case will understand either you are coming from pandas background, you are coming from what background? ML background actually. Here onwards, if you wanted to become expert in machine learning, you have to stop calling as a column. You have to start calling as a feature. That's what you need to be understand. Column means just feature. I will tell you why that name came actually. Can I get a response from you? Good. All right. Sir, this one first we can still call as a feature number 1. And here, this one is output is representing with the target actual. Output is representing with target. This one you can also call as a feature 1. Output is still representing with the label actual. And this one it is representing with X. This one it is representing with Y. This one is independent actually. This one is what exactly, sir? Independent. This one should be, oh my God. During interview, if anyone is asking, explain about the feature engineering, First, if you draw this table, I'm sure he will take one snapshot actually. Such a nicely you have explained. You should have an idea. Here onwards, if I say X actually, I'm talking ML terminology. If I'm talking like a feature, then I'm talking ML terminology. If I'm talking like a dependent, I'm talking ML. If I'm talking like a column one, pandas. Simple. Are you clear about this? Good. Now what I mean to say that is conclusion. In pandas, the terminologies we need to call as a columns. But in ML actually, in ML, we need to call columns as చెప్తారా sir? We are good to go, frankly speaking. Good. Daniel, what is feature engineering? We understand feature. We understand feature. What do you mean by feature engineering? Okay. Feature engineering. Interesting. Answer. Creating a feature. Creating a what exactly? Creating a feature from existing features. From what exactly? Existing feature is called as feature engineering. Is called as what exactly? Feature engineering. Come on, read everyone. Creating a feature from existing feature. Okay. Maybe we'll get a column. We'll get a feature. Sometimes based on our requirement, we need to analyze that column, what client have given. From the same column, you may create another column. You may create what exactly? Another column. That is called as a feature engineering. Generally engineering word, a kind of some, they can construct the buildings. They can construct the bridges actually. Engineer. What is that? Engineer. Being a data scientist, you also doing engineering. Create. Take a feature. From that feature, you can create another feature. You can create a 2 features. You can create a 3 features. I will tell you. How we can create, I will tell you. Definition is important. Tell me what is the definition? Creating a feature from, now let me tell you. Cases. These are all different cases actually. Let me explain all cases. Case number 1. Case number 1. Good. Make a note on this one. What is the case number 1, Daniel, I do have a data. So this one is a data frame. Did you remember? Feature engineering. Did I cover this? Yeah, good. Now you will understand. The next one will be array. The next one. Can I tell one small good news actually? Many people don't know this flow. Chala mandiki flow telidu. When I say array, you should know where array fits actually. Where array it will come in between feature engineering and machine learning. Data frame it will come in between the data and feature engineering actually. Feature engineering it will come in between data frame and what exactly? This flow is very important. This is from my experience I have created. You never find anywhere else actually. Real time law, exactly. These are all steps wise actually. We need to go like this. Yeah, you have to go like this only. The day when we started the session, from here to here actually. Daniel, from here to here, sir, wrong step actually. I'm sorry, extremely wrong. The next one will be data frame to what exactly? Feature engineering. Daniel, can I go data frame to machine learning? Possible, but frankly again speaking, that is not again good practice. Data frame nunchi machine learning engineering kellochu, but not a good practice. That is not a good practice. I will show you practically. The next one, feature engineering to what exactly? Array. The next one, array to what exactly? These are all steps, man. Like a transform from one state to another state. Like a butterfly transformations. I hope you know that. Okay. Here is the story. What is the story? Let us take a data frame. Let us take what exactly? Data frame. So sometime the data frame having, so what exactly? Let me take a data. Company name. Good. Think like I'm taking only one company name. And here I am taking designation, a kind of some role, a kind of some what exactly role. Like first, let me talk about a single column. Good. Now in a data frame, there is a company. Company first one Google, the next one Amazon, the next one Facebook, the next one again Google actually, the next one again Amazon. Okay, cool. These are all. Now this is called as a feature. This is called as what exactly? PD column we can say. But ML, talk with me. Feature actually. So ultimately what I'm planning, being a ML engineer, this feature we supposed to give to the ML algorithm. We supposed to give what exactly? Here is a story. Here is a story. Real fact actually. Machine learning algorithm works with numerical data only. Machine learning algorithm works with numerical, but we do have what exactly? Categorical data. We do have what exactly? Our feature is a categorical data. Then what we need to do? Convert this one into numerical data, creating another feature. Feature engineering. I will tell you how to do that. Ardhenda sir. Let me tell you. Once you are getting column, then ultimately this column you have to give to the machine learning algorithm. But one small secret. Case number one, like this many cases would have. ML algorithm always likes numerical data. If you are giving categorical data, ML algorithm will scold you actually. What data you are giving? Do you know? First of all, do you know machine learning actually? It will scold actually. Then what we need to do? We have a categorical data. Convert this categorical data into numeric column. That numeric column we need to give to the ML algorithm. Then it will, hey, thank you. ML algorithm will say you are in right direction actually. Now let me tell you how to convert. Now feature 1. Now this one is creating feature. Creating what exactly? Feature from feature 1. I mean to say, let me tell you, this one is company underscore name. Otherwise, it's okay. Let me tell you company. Column name is company. I'm planning to create a new column. So think like the same data frame. I'm planning to create a new column for the existing data frame only. Company underscore n. What is the meaning of underscore n? Numerical. What is that? This one is a categorical data. I'm planning to add into numerical data. Good. Here is the story. What exactly happened, according to the alphabetical order. It's a very simple. So in a pandas, there is a one method. You need to call that method. If you call that method, it takes care automatically. You don't need to do manually, but let me show you how to do actually. According to the alphabetical, which one is the first? Chappandi. What is A? Then it will assign as a 0 automatically. Wherever all Amazon is available, it will assign as a 0. Then what is the next letter? Chappandi sir. Facebook or Google? Yeah. 1. What is the next one? Google. It will be assigned as a 2. This one also 2. Wow. Now if I say Facebook value we are mapping to 1. Amazon we are mapping to. Now I have a question for you. Now for ML algorithm, we need to give this column. Okay, we need to give this column, but not this column actually. But not what exactly, sir? This column. I'm sure you understand. This is called as a feature engineering. From the feature, we are creating a new feature. We are creating what exactly? We created actually. Scenario number 1. Are you clear about this? Okay, let's continue. Case number 2. Very simple. Handling missing value. Handling what exactly? Yeah, missing value. This is also called as a, you are just trying to handling. You're cleaning the features. You're what exactly feature engineering you're applying. Not only, yeah, exactly. We are taking the single column. We are dropping something. Again, new column, it will be generated actually. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now let me take area, then rice packs. 110, 2 having some value, 3, 30, 4 what exactly? 40. After processing, after what exactly? Processing. I mean to say dropping missing value. I hope you know how to do that. Dropping what exactly? Missing value. Then talk with me, take the data. You can just have to drop directly. Yeah, talk with me exactly how deleted this one. Yeah, I mean to say this one is feature and this one is again, we got a new feature actually. We have dropped this one. Can I get a response from you? Existing feature only, but we have cleaned the data. We have dropped the what is not required actually. ML algorithm don't give missing value. ML algorithm will not accept the missing value. If you are giving missing value, it will give wrong prediction. It will give wrong prediction. Make a note actually. Make a note on this. Next topic. What is the next topic? Case number 1, case number 2, one more case. Case number 3. Scaling the feature. Scaling what exactly? Features. Cheppandi. Scaling the feature, or else scale in, scale up, anything you can say. This is also called as a scale in. Also called as a scale up actually. Scale up. Very, very important, sir. I will tell you what do you mean by this actually. Daniel, I do have a data like this. I do have what exactly? Data like this actually. What data would you have, 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, case number 4, I can cover that scenario. Outlier also. Handling outliers also feature engineering. Handling outliers also. These are all feature engineering techniques. These are all feature engineering techniques actually. Yeah, good. Now I have a question for you. Can you tell me difference between 10 and 20? 10. 20 and 30? 30 and 40? Pull. What is the difference between 10 and 40? 30. Very far. Very big difference actually. Now I just wanted to keep the values. Keep the whole values. In between some range. In between what exactly? How to do that one, Left hand side take the 0. Right hand side take the 1 actually. Now kindly please pass the same data. Okay, take the data. You can take this data and you can just have to apply here. Now get ready, sir. Get ready. Quite interesting. What exactly I am planning is, previously the difference between 10 and 40, the difference between what exactly? 10 and 40. The difference between 10 and 40 is 30. What is the difference, sir? 30 actually. Now I don't want to be like a big value. And even here 10 and 20, what is the difference actually? Difference into dinki 10 actually. I don't want to be like a big value. Then do one thing, like a very big values. You can take very big values. Sometimes ML algorithm will not accept big values. Then we have to, I will tell you, we have to compress the values in such a way that take these values actually. I will tell you. First of all, understand the scenario, right? Now what we need to do is, what is the maximum number? Indulo maximum number edi 40. Divide whole values will be 40. Okay, quite interesting. Divided by 40. Divided by 40. Chaptara. Divided by 40. 40 by 40. What is the result? Nice. Very good. This result is the one. The next one. 3 by 4. We can apply calculator, sir. So I have a trust on you. Let me apply actually. 3 3 by 4. What is the results? 0.75. Okay, 0.75. Then this one will be very good. I told I have a trust actually. This one should be 0.25. Really great. I can make it, this one is 0.50 also fine. Kada? What happens? Oh, sorry, man. 75 actually. So, I'm sorry. Let me tell you. Previously, what is the difference between 10 and 20, sir? Very big value, right? Now let me tell you. What is the difference between 0.25 to 0.50? Just actually. Sir, where is the 10 difference? Where is the, you bring into point level difference? You brought into point level. Let me tell you. This is very big value. What do you mean by that? Think like there is a 10-stair building. You are very near. The 10-stair building, you have to look at like this actually. You have to head up and you have to look at, okay, stair number 1, floor number 2, floor number 3, floor number 5. Big value. Then do one thing. Just try to travel half kilometer. Now look at the building. Building looks like this actually. Am I right or not, sir? Exactly. That is initially scale up. You have to head up actually. we have to look at the data. But you travel some distance. Now the total building looks like this. Yeah, so the building looks like this actually. That is called as a scaling. Are you with me? You are understanding, I guess. Now I have a question for you. What is the difference between 10 and 40? 30. Sir, difference between 0.25 and 1? Very simple. Very small value. 0.75 means very small value. This is called as a scaling the features. This is called as a, yeah, from the feature, we have created another feature. From the feature, we have created I mean to say, this one is the feature, yeah. This one is the feature. And we have creating the new feature. Next, case number 4. Like this would have different cases. Practical I will enter. Just I'm giving little theory. Handling outliers. Handling outliers actually. First of all, what is an outlier? Which is far from? Yeah, good. So let me take the value. 2, 4, 2, 4, next one 6, the next one 5 would have, 9 would have, 999. What is outlier here? Yeah, I mean to say, first of all, this one is a feature. Now, Daniel, feature having some issue, then creating a new feature. Creating what exactly? New feature. What is that? Talk with me. 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5, perfect. These are all scenarios. Can I enter into the topic? Now let us start the cinema. You will get an idea. Feature scaling, just now I have covered. Feature scaling is a technique to standardize the independent features present in the data in a fixed range actually. We are keeping like a standardized, hey, we have to fix it within the range. 0 to 1 range is the very common scenario. You can still keep 1 to 2 also, but 1 to 2 don't do that. We are not using in real time. It is performed during what exactly meant? Data pre-processing. Daniel, what do you mean by data pre-processing? Listen carefully. In machine learning, data pre-processing is the important step actually. Data pre-processing is what exactly? Now go back. Now, if you have given directly raw data to the ML algorithm will do wrong prediction. But if you really apply nice feature engineering technique in the sense, by using feature engineering, you can polish the feature and you will get a right value. You will get what exactly? A right values. If you are giving ML algorithm, you know what? It will give the good prediction. It will give good prediction actually. That bringing the right values, bringing the right features, we can do by using feature engineering step. We can do by using feature engineering step actually. Are you feeling boring? Okay. The purpose of this technique is cleaning the data, organizing the raw data into make it suitable for what exactly? Creating ML algorithm. Creating ML algorithm. Why data processing, Daniel, in machine learning? Thank you. So online team, I have just drink the water. Why data pre-processing, Daniel? So typically, the real world data is incomplete, inconsistent, inaccurate. It contains some error, outlier, and often lacks of specific attributes also. Exactly, if you wanted to understand this, go to the EDA project. Go to EDA project. Exactly. Customer ID, floating value. It should be integer. Yeah, exactly. The data is not incomplete, incomplete in the sense, having missing value. Having what exactly? Missing value. The next one, it can be inaccurate actually. It can be inaccurate. It having some, errors, outliers. We need to fix actually. This is where data pre-processing techniques came actually. It helps us to clean the data. What exactly? Clean the data, format the data, organize the data, the raw data. Then once you done these are all steps, then you will get the data is ready. Why the data is ready actually? To give that input to the ML algorithm. To give that input to what exactly? Sir, what exactly we are doing? Sir, by using feature engineering, think like you prepared coffee or tea. Let us go for tea. Whenever you are preparing the tea, milk is required, tea powder is required. Milk is required, tea powder is required. So think like once the tea is done, can I drink directly? You have to filter. You have to, why filter topic came? Because it is having some, kind of some the tea powder actually. It gives uncomfort for us. Whenever you're, so having the cup of tea, if you are able to get the tea powder, small, that pulps actually, you will get uncomfort. Same thing like that, the data frame contains some missing values and some lot of that data. Then you have to apply feature engineering. Feature engineering is kind of some filtering the data. What exactly? Yeah, you are keeping what is required. Then ML algorithm will enjoy actually. Then after that, this result again you are passing to array. This result again you are passing to. Hey Daniel, why array came here actually? Why array came? Sometimes whenever you are applying data frame operation, whenever you are applying feature engineering operation over the data frame, it can again result give as a data frame. It will give again result as a, but ML algorithm need what exactly? Then we need to convert actual. That's why array topic came. I'm sure. మీరు సార్ ఫ్లో చెప్తారా? కమన్ నో వితౌట్ లుకింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పండి. డేటా ఫ్రేమ్, feature engineering, array, machine learning, algorithm. One more time. Data frame, feature engineering. Can I expand the diagram? Yeah, I am very good actually. This one is called as ML flow. Can I expand the diagram? That diagram will be, after machine learning, the next topic is the cost function. What function? Oh, cost function. Pure machine learning topic. Talk with me. After machine learning algorithm, what is the next one? Just now I told today, I guess. Cost means error. Yeah, error. ML algorithm will do the prediction. Prediction having some error. After cost function, gradient descent algorithm. What exactly? Gradient descent algorithm. Topic name is. This flow is very, very important, sir. Very, very important. Any machine learning algorithm, main target will be two things actually. Increase accuracy. Reduce error. Reduce what exactly? Error. If you are able to remember this ML flow, you will become master in machine learning actually. That's the beauty about these all steps. That's the beauty about these all steps actually. You have to by heart these are all steps. I'm pretty sure till here but just you need to, so slowly by slowly you can by heart these are all things. Chaptara, can somebody tell? First one is increase accuracy. Don't worry. These are all, hey Daniel, we are new. We are entering into the ML, sir. Slowly by slowly, I'm introducing the terminology actually. Okay. Let's move on. What types of data we need to handle? First of all, we would have two types of the data. Numerical data, next one. Categorical data. Numerical data. Yeah, so we already know it is called as a quantitative data and something monthly sales like a student scores. These are all we know actually. The natural way to represent the quantitative data, it will be numerical data like a integer value, floating value, blah, blah, blah. So we need to understand how to transform raw numerical data into what exactly feature. I will tell you, sometimes we would have a small value. Sometimes we would have a big value. We need to handle. Though it is the raw data, we have to make it like, nice feature. We have to polish the data. You have to polish actually. Then we need to use feature engineering during machine learning technique actually. These are all techniques, don't worry. So we are handling. Label encoder is one technique. Standard scalar is another technique. transforming the features, handling outlier, handling missing value. Missing value topic again came. Don't worry. Once I done, these are all table you will understand. As of now, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. The next one, categorical data. What data? Categorical data. We have two types of categorical data, sir. What are those? Chapandi. Ordinal. Next one. Nominal. Kada? Come on. Math, little revision required. During math, I told categorical data two types actually. One is ordinal data. Next one, nominal data. Ordinal data follows order. Nominal data, no order. Nominal data. Okay, cool. No, categorical data also there is a separate techniques to handle actually. There is a separate techniques to handle. Now the next one. Wow. Let us start the cinema. Daniel, to write a Python program, so we have to install Python. Yeah, yes, boss. To do the data analysis, we have to install pandas. We have to install pandas. To do the data visualization, you have to install matplotlib actually. Please wake up, sir. I'm sorry. Seaborn actually. The next one, to create an array. To create what exactly? Array. Talk with me. NumPy. Same thing like that. We are ready to enter into machine learning algorithm. Do you wanted to work with feature engineering actually? You are almost near to the ML actually. If you wanted to work with feature engineering or machine learning algorithm, you have to install one library. That library name is called as a scikit-learn actually. What exactly? Scikit. Scientific kit. That is not underscore symbol, hyphen symbol. What symbol? Chappan sir. Hyphen symbol actually. You have to install this. Install. Tomorrow onwards, it will be more interesting and more practical actually. You will literally enjoy Python. Let me tell you again Python. You can feel Python revision actually. I will talk about importing the class, creating an object, calling a method. Like a twinkle twinkle little star. Did you remember the song actually? I will not ask you to sing. Let me tell you. Importing the class, creating an object. Chappan sir. Calling the method. One more time. Importing the class, creating an object. Same here also. Another pattern will be, we are going to call functions also. And functions mostly it is having parameters. Maybe you are going to work with keyword arguments also. Function having the return statement. Then what we need to do? Perfect. That's it actually. Just the topic is the new. Technically we already know actually. That's what you need to be understand. Machine learning also same. Machine learning also same. That's what my kind request. Sir, be strong in Python. Be strong in Python. Be strong in Python. Our material more than enough actually. Sir, as of now, I have covered only few scenarios. Other scenarios also will cover. It's okay. Can I continue tomorrow? Is it okay? All right. So we done today's session. We'll connect again tomorrow. Assignment I have shared, right? Work with that assignment. You will get an idea. Thank you. Do Python little revision. It helps you. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. We'll connect again tomorrow. Please take care. Who are all missed today? Ayyo, they missed a lot, sir. Yeah. You have given your number, Rohit. Huh? Okay. Do one thing. Do normal text message. No. Don't you have my number? Okay. Let me give. this is my number actually. You can take this. Oh, yo. Okay, take this. చెప్పండి సార్.